行路难。
Traveling is hard.
金樽清酒斗十千，
Clear wine in golden goblets, 10,000 cash a cup.
玉盘珍馐值万钱，
And costly delicacies are on jade platters.
停杯投箸不能食，
Yet I spurn drinking and toss away my chopsticks.
拔剑四顾心茫然。
Sword in hand, restless, I wonder what to do.
欲渡黄河冰塞川，
I want to cross the Yellow River, but it says bound.
将登太行雪满山。
I want to climb the Taihang Mountains, but there's snow covered.
闲来垂钓碧溪上，
So idly I fish by a limpid stream.
忽复乘舟梦日边，
Dreaming of sailing towards the sun.
行路难，行路难，多歧路，今安在？
Traveling is hard. Traveling is hard. So many crossroads, which to choose.
长风破浪会有时，直挂云帆济沧海。
One day I'll skim the waves blown by the wind, with sails hoisted high across the vast ocean.